cannot fight for liberation of Kenya, mtu kutuambia ati hii itafanyika wapende wasipende. Kwame wabwe, efwe bana bama iwewe. You can't tell us I will have housing whether you like it or not. You don't own this country. We fought to stop that kind of primitive politics from permeating the public conscience of this country. Mukisherekea Sifuna lazima msherekee ukweli. Kwamba you cannot take up petroleum because of global prices. And when global prices come down, you keep prices up with a token reduction. We are not fools. Museme ukweli, we are not fools. And Sifuna will have called out fools who think that we cannot see through their lies. Mukimsherekea Sifuna, museme, can we go back to the path of proud politics? Oh, Mayora kijana kamolanga. Alifuba na burobe. Komenya kumafu. Luka ne kulia bitete bizina ne kukona. Uhomango nange wo. Ewe bandu bekimini kwamile kulie na kwaba kulondera bandu bekula kimilyango kuchingo kwemile kwitu kibali bakwe kukizendi chamsi. If you want to celebrate this hero, you must be ready to resuscitate the spirit of heroism that this country has proud sons and daughters who will not be intimidated, who will not be bamboozled, who will not be bribed at petty stolen money and forget where we are trying to go. Asante sana.
Asante Mugisa Kitui. Mheshimiwa.
Your Excellency, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Deputy Leader ODM, all